Hi everyone, I'm going to go over how to start this worksheet. Please make sure you read the front. It does tell you about codominance and blood typing. If you know your blood type or heard about blood type, you probably know that there's variations. There's blood type A, B, and O, and that is all genetic. And people who present AB are codominant. They have on the surface of their red blood cells an antigen A and an antigen B. So let's talk about how to do this. So there are different genotypes, and you can represent them with letters. If you look at the worksheet, it does state there are 3 alleles for the gene that controls blood type, and that would be I with the superscript of A, I with the superscript of B, and then a little I. So this means if you receive this allele, you'll have an antigen A on your red blood cell. If you have this allele, you'll have an antigen B, and then this means no antigen at all. So the different blood types that exist, so this would be blood type A. There's 2 possible genotypes for blood type A. It would be, again, you get half from mom, half from dad, so you have to have 2 of these. So it would be big I, superscript A, same thing. So notice this would be considered homozygous because they're the same. Or big A, little I. So this means you receive from one parent the gene to make antigen A's on your red blood cells, and this is if this would be no antigens, but still you're going to produce that. That's why you're blood type A. And for transfusions, they need to know this. Otherwise, antibodies in your body may attack the blood, and clotting could form. So for blood type B, it'd be same thing. This is homo because 2 big letters. Blood type O, there's only one possibility. You have to have 2 genes that say don't make any antigens, so you have no antigens on the... So if I were to draw the red blood cell, this would be like A, B would be rounded. This would be a red blood cell with nothing on the surface. Now the last blood type would be AB, and this is that codominance. That means the 2 traits are seen together, not a blending, but together. And like notice you'd have antigen A, antigen B, so your blood type would be AB. You receive one from each parent. That's why your red blood cells have both antigens. So if you flip this over, I'm going to do problem number 2. It says the father is blood type A homozygous. So he's blood type A. So it's either going to be those, but again, homo means the same. So I'm going to select the one that is the same. So I'm going to set up a Punnett square. So this is dad, blood type A homozygous. Mom is blood type B homozygous. So now I fill in all the possibilities. A, B, A. So they're all going to be the same if you end up filling this out. So then the last thing it says phenotype ratio. So phenotype is what you see. So I'm instead of a ratio, I'm just going to use a percent for this. 100% A, B. And that's how you work through this worksheet. Go through, try, number 1's pretty easy, try the rest of them, turn them in, and then Mrs. Brunglinger will take it from there. Have a great day and be good.